Hi, it's Kif and Lebates here, and today I want to talk about the building of stuff, specifically the building of open source software. Now, I think a lot of developers have this misguided idea that if you write some software and you open source it and you put it on GitHub and you slap a GPL or an Apache version 2 license on it, then it's somehow going to take off. But I can tell you from personal experience that that isn't the case. There is an awful lot more to producing a valuable piece of open source software than just pushing the code out there. And actually, if you are a developer, I do recommend that you have a shot at setting up your own little open source project, because you'll find that firstly, once you've written the code and you've sorted out the license, then there's a whole thing such as a code of conduct for people to participate. You need to advertise your project, so you need to find out where people who might find it of use hang out and let them know that it's there. You need to grow and nurture a community around it and make sure that you actually start getting contributors rather than it just being you who's working on it. And finally, there's an awful lot of luck as well. Finding the right people doesn't just mean finding where they hang out, it also means producing the software in the programming language that those people like, and making sure that it looks slick and professional enough that they think this might actually go somewhere and it's worth them putting their time in. Because when it comes to open source, yes, it's free except for the time that people spend on it, and time does effectively equate to money for people, so ultimately it's not really free. However, as I said, do give it a shot. Go and find out what is actually needed in order to launch an open source project that is successful. There's a lot more to it than just a few files of code, and it's a great learning experience. Plus, it educates you in software development in general. A lot of the lessons you learn from that will actually carry over into commercial, private software production, and it may actually help you with your career. So that's today's post. Hope you found it interesting. See you in the next video soon. Bye for now.